Namaste. Hello, friends. Today I am going to discuss a little about how a sound wave travels in the different mediums. So, suppose there is an iron rod or some metallic rod which is considered as a solid state of a matter. So, if we hit a hammer on the one side and just try to feel it on the other side, so that disturbance travels along the iron metallic rod, and what we had hit it at one side, we are going to receive it at the other side. So how it happens, suppose there is a metallic rod and I have given a hit on the one side, so the lattice, the moleculars just at the interface, they will start moving because of that hammer attack, and they will just go and strike to the next lattice, then this next lattice will go and strike to the next lattice. In this manner, this disturbance at the initial point will be communicated to the last point. So similarly, like in the case of a metallic rod, we know that it is a solid state of matter and there is quite a compact molecular structure. Intermolecular forces are very high. There is a very less of intermolecular spaces. So we know that the speed of sound is quite high in the solids. The reason is this, that because the crystal lattice is very well arranged and compact. Contrary to this, when it comes to liquid, now here I want to wait for a while and want to give you a 1 minute to think that why speed of sound in gas is smaller than smaller in comparison to liquids and solids. Okay, friends. So here, as we know that speed of sound is found to be highest in solids, then in liquids, and then in gases. The reason is this, that the intermolecular spaces and intermolecular forces in case of gases are very low. The intermolecular spaces are very high in gases in comparison to liquid and solids. So the how a sound wave travels, that there is a continuous rarefaction and compression through which the sound wave travels. So and the speed of sound is found to be highest in case of solids, like in steel it is found to be 5000, and in case of air as a gas at room temperature we can say that it is around 340 when temperatures are around 28 or 29 degrees centigrade. So the speed of sound is highest in the gases, lowest in the gases and highest in the solids. The reason of being it highest in the liquid, highest in the solid, is that the molecular structure at the microscopic level is very well arranged, intermolecular forces are very high, and there are very less of spaces. On contrary to this, in gases there are too much spaces, intermolecular forces are very weak, so the disturbance created at one end used to travel to some other point in the field at a very low speed. So this is the basic concept as I have described. Thanks.